Good evening, gentlemen. I want to ask you about something, or not just ask, it's just a notice that I think most of us had a degree plan in his specialty, and someday he just gives it up. As me, from my angle, sorry, I am an information technology support system student, and I noticed that there is a subject called a graduation project. It is a project that you should make to graduate with and high your GPA. So I saw it and I asked about it. From my angle, I just saw that Facebook and YouTube actually was a graduation project for students like our situation. So I think that there's nothing new. There's nothing new we can do. Then I think again about it, and if they are thinking like what we think, they will not get any project. They will not get any project. So they will not get any project. So I think again, and I am very faithful of their. I'm very impressed in their faithful in themselves. So we should put in our minds that there's always will be a new subject or a new project. So I'm going to convince you that we can do anything we want by 3 points. So let's talk about how we can do it. And my first point will be we have more knowledge. Like you know that when the time pass away, there's more new knowledge that we get, more than the other ones that before us. So the guys who invent Facebook and YouTube, so it's for sure that we have more knowledge more than them. And we can use that knowledge to develop anything we want or create anything we want. Now I finished talking about the first point, so let me tell you about the second point, that we can add to our knowledge from the older experience. Like when we see the Facebook or YouTube, we can have the more information we can get, and we can specify our way to improve ourselves, improve our project, whatever they are. And the third point will be that you must believe in the word new and amazing, and you must believe in yourself that you can make the stuff unbelievable is really believable. When this trust will be inside your heart, that give you very much power. In the end, in conclusion, I want to tell you that I talk about the 3 points, that we have more knowledge than the other people, and we can add for our knowledge more from the older people experience, and you must believe in the world new and amazing. In the end, I want to just tell you that you must get out the lazy person who gives you the idea that there is nothing new you can do, and I believe we all will be fine. Thank you so much for listening.